Chongqing isn't just one of the largest cities in the world, it's one of the most misunderstood. In this cinematic journey, we'll take you through its wildest secrets, from trains that pass through buildings to ancient guild halls hidden beneath skyscrapers. It all begins at Liziba Station, where the monorail cuts straight through a residential tower. No noise, no disruption, just futuristic precision. Then we soar above the Yangtze River Cableway, where locals ride across the water suspended in air. At night, the glowing cliffside maze of Hongya Cave lights up like something from a dream, while the Three Gorges Museum takes us deep into the cultural and environmental story of the Yangtze. In a city built on cliffs, even the escalators are iconic, like the Crown Escalator, stretching 112 meters between levels. Next, we step into Ciqikou ancient town, where narrow alleys and the scent of spicy street food transport you centuries back in time. Raffles City rises on the riverfront with its breathtaking sky bridge, an architectural marvel they call the horizontal skyscraper. But not all wonders are modern. The Huguang Guild Hall stands quietly, echoing stories of Qing dynasty merchants. From Eling Park, you see where two mighty rivers meet, and beneath it all lies Chongqing's underground city, a whole level of life, shops, and transit where sunlight rarely reaches. This is Chongqing, layered, vertical, and always in motion. If this city surprised you, hit subscribe, because next, we're uncovering another megacity with secrets even crazier than this one. You won't want to miss it.